As you can see guys, my skin is not looking great at the moment, so now I'm gonna go with a quick skincare. So first I'm gonna be taking this face mist. This is a balancing face mist though, but still I use this because it gives really calming effect to my skin. So I'm gonna spray this mist onto my face first. Now I'm gonna take this Good Vibes scrub onto my fingers. This is an olive variant, and I'm gonna take this, and with that I'm gonna take face wash by the Face Shop. This is an aloe vera face wash, sorry. And I'm gonna mix these two onto my fingers and give a good massage to my face. So guys, you need to be very gentle, but at the same time you need to clean your whole face, like every hook and corner of your face you need to clean that, but you need to be gentle as well. So as you can see, I mean, it might be looking very harsh, but believe me guys, I was doing it very light-handedly. And give a massage for at least 50 to 60 seconds. So after this drill, I'm gonna wash my face and I'll be right back. So on my clean face, I'm gonna apply this charcoal mask. I know this charcoal mask may be a nightmare for many of you guys, but I really like this charcoal mask, to be honest. And as you can see, I'm applying this onto my face. This is very I mean to say shabby step, but still I'm doing that, and I'm gonna keep this mask onto my face for 30 minutes. So as you can see, 30 minutes ho chuke hai and the mask is dried up. Now I'm gonna remove this mask very gently and very patiently. As you can see, I mean, you just see the technique of this. मैं नीचे से उसे पकड़ रही हूँ एंड ऊपर की ओर खींच रही हूँ. I'm just holding my face and just pulling that mask to the upward direction, because जो हमारे बाल वो सब होते हैं, बाल blackheads, वो सब नीचे की ओर ऐसे निकले हुए होते हैं, ना कि ऊपर की ओर. तो जो भी हम करेंगे लाइक रिमूव करने के टाइम पे हम उसे ऊपर की ओर खींचेंगे. So whenever you see your blackhead or any sort of fine hair, they pop out to be at downward direction, not upward direction. So we're gonna pull that mask onto the upward direction so that all the fine hair and blackheads dirt get removed easily. मैं यहाँ पे एक डिस्क्लेमर देना चाहती हूँ कि अगर आप ये मास्क लगा रहे हो तो आप ध्यान में रखिए कि आप अपने आईब्रोज़ के ऊपर ना लगाएं और आपके जो हेयर लाइन है उससे काफ़ी दूर लगाएं. ये मेरे थोड़े हेयर लाइन के काफ़ी पास हो गए हैं. ये मैं इसलिए कह रही हूँ क्योंकि जब आप खींचने जाएंगे, लाइक आप जब मास्क रिमूव करने जाएंगे तो आपके वो सारे बाल भी जा सकते हैं, बिकॉज़ वो बालों को लाइक खींच देता है. सो जस्ट मेक श्योर कि आप जो है अपने हेयर लाइन, अपने साइड बर्ड्स और जो अपने आईब्रोज़ है उससे बहुत दूर लगाए ये फेस मास्क. नाउ आई एम गोना गो विथ हिमालय टोनर. तो ये जो हिमालय टोनर है या कोई भी टोनर है, ये आपके फेस पे एक सूदिंग इफ़ेक्ट प्रोवाइड करेगा. दिस विल काम डाउन योर स्किन. So I'm just gonna go with this and I'm gonna dab it onto my face and I'm gonna let it dry for some time. And after that I'm gonna apply this serum by Face Shop. You can apply any sort of serum onto your face, and I'm gonna again dab this serum onto my face and wait for some time. And now I'm gonna apply moisturizer onto my face. So again, you can apply any moisturizer onto your face according to your skin type, according to the weather, according to your preference, any moisturizer. So I'm gonna apply this moisturizer onto my face and I'm gonna give a gentle massage to my face as well. So here completes our skincare drill. I hope ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And as you can see, my skin is looking much better than before. It's looking brighter, glowy and clean. So with that, it's a wrap. I will see you all super soon in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, stay happy and spread happiness.